Hello, I'm Sifu Jeff Patterson down here at Northwest Internal Arts. We'd like to invite you to come down and take a look at some of our Tai Chi and Qigong exercises we're practicing at the studio.
Why Tai Chi? Because it makes us stronger, physically and mentally, enhances our energy. It's a way of maintaining ourselves, taking charge of our own health, and living well. This school is an amazingly comfortable place to be. Students are respected, their limitations are honored, and the experience is one of persistent good humor and acceptance. There's more to it than you'd think. Sitting meditation, standing meditation, deep conditioning exercises if you really want to get strong. All sorts of ways in which we train ourselves to live better, live healthier. At Northwest Internal Arts, I found a school where I was not only welcomed, but found encouragement at every turn. The idea of healthy or stress-free that you have now when you're starting the practice really doesn't even scratch the surface. When you really get into it, you start to realize that this is a study of ourselves. It changes the way we live.
Many of our members use these practices for relaxation, therapeutic and medical benefits, meditation, focus, and just overall increased energy. Please come down and try a free class to see how studying some of these practices can help positively influence your life.